Hello everyone, welcome back to the Easy Tech Steps channel. Today, I'll guide you on how to increase the font size in Notepad++, making it easier to read and edit your code. Let's get started. First, open Notepad++. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official website, notepad++.org. Next, go to the top menu bar and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Style Configurator. When the Style Configurator window opens, look to the right. Under the Font Size section, you can adjust the font size by clicking the up or down arrows, or by typing the size you want directly. For example, if the default size is 10, you can increase it to 14 or 16 for larger text. Once you've selected your preferred font size, click Save and Close to apply the changes. You'll immediately notice the text in Notepad++ is larger than before. If you just want to temporarily zoom in or out, you can use the shortcut Ctrl and plus to zoom in or Ctrl and to zoom out. That's it. Super simple, right? With just a few steps, you can adjust the font size in Notepad++ to make your work more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.